there, good day. We are here with an Austin 1100. This is my brother's. He's really recently bought it, and we want to take it to a car show with Princess. I can imagine it, Princess and the guy, and like a night sort of thing. I can all imagine it. Can't wait for a lovely day out. But my mother has found some carpets for it inside underneath the seats because it does need some new carpets. They're really worn. So I've decided to fit them. I know. I've never, ever done anything like this before, bearing in mind. So I think I'm going to have to take out the seats, which isn't exactly going well. But anyway, so look out for that video coming out really soon and see how I get on. Because I don't know how I'm going to get on. Trailer of what? Process? You know, progress is coming. So here's a little clip it to see what I've got so far. I'm only really halfway through and I'm really stoked, but oh well. Look out for this video, really funny video, so look out for it. Thanks,
We
bye.
need to take the seats out, so just ring Billy and ask him. Go on.
I'm gonna have to admit though.
What, with failures? He won't mind. Go on.
Hello?
What's up?
We're in the Astra.
Well, we're not in an Astra.
It's an Astra, isn't it?
It's an Austin.
You what?
Nothing, we're in an Austin.
No, you just said Astra.
I didn't say Astra. It was
You said Astra.
it was just the phone breaking up.
Why are you in the Astra?
I wasn't in the Astra. Anyway, more to the point, I didn't call you about that, did I? I know the answer. Okay, so I was just wondering, but I do take the seats out, don't I? Or should I say, do you take the seats out? You know, what do you think? What would you do? I'm just asking. I know the answer to it, but I just want to know what you would do.
In regards to do what?
Let's put the carpet in. If I
Tell him that bit.
I thought he might have known. I might have come in conversation. Hello? Anybody home?
You what?
Say if I had a carpet and I wanted to put it inside an Astra. I mean,
An
Austin. Say if I wanted to put it in Austin, like I just said before. Would I take the seats out? Just that I know the answer, but I just want to know if you know.
I don't.
Billy, do I take the seats out to put a carpet into the Austin?